Hello, my friend, fellow traders. Will here over to FXAUUSD.com. First, a big welcome to the video. So, coming into the second week of May, the second trading week of May, and as always, this video will show you one of my favorite setups for the week ahead. Before we get into the video, as always, if you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with all my latest videos, weekly trading ideas, and just basically information that will help you excel as a trader, simply hit the subscribe button now wherever you see it on the screen. Okay, so I'm going to hide my face here, and this week, this trade that I'm looking at is on the British pound Aussie dollar. Okay, so it's been falling pretty heavily lately. Actually, I took a trade in this last week and got caught out. Okay, and it didn't work out. What I'm liking, it is coming down towards this support area here and this weekly zone here, where you can see it's coming into now. Okay, it's taking out this one here and it's moving down towards this area here. Okay, you can see this weekly support here. Said it once, twice, so this is going to get some sort of reaction here. Okay, and just zooming in, we'll zoom in to see where we want to get our entry. Okay, so I'm liking to get this probably around about this area here, which is 186.6. Okay, sorry, 188.6 is where I'm looking to. Yeah, I'm looking to buy this pair. Okay, 188.6. I'm just wanted to drop down in towards here, and of course, if you have my MACD indicator, okay, what we kind of look for coming into this area. Okay, what I'll look for is, you can actually download this indicator below in the video if you're new to the channel. So what I'll look for is, I'll have the pending order at 188.6, and if I see a divergence happening on the 4-hour or the 1-hour charts, a divergence signal, the indicator giving a divergence signal either in the 1-hour or the 4-hour, I will just take the manual entry. Okay, so it's pretty simple. So stop loss, I'm going to do a stop loss of 130 pips. So that will be 187.3. And my take profit, okay, we'll just zoom in here. Just zoom in. Okay, a lot of times the take profits don't kind of happen. Take profit will be an opposing zone or opposing resistance. Okay, so up around here, and if you look at kind of resistance area, my first profit target will be around 192, and overall around up towards the top here at 194. Okay, so 188.8 or 188.6. So we'll just hide my face here, and we will draw trade. So it is buy, and I'll go over this again just after I type this in. Buy British pound AUD at 1.886. Okay, stop loss is going to be 130 pips. And this is it's coming down into a very, very strong weekly area. So it's got a support and it's got a zone there. So there's a lot of confluence at this area we're looking to trade at. And again, I will look for a MACD divergence signal coming into it, or just enter at that price. Okay, high probability entry will be a MACD divergence. So if it doesn't happen and falls a bit further and you get the MACD divergence, you can wait. So depends what kind of risk you like to take. If you say we'll do a take profit at 1.94, okay, or watch closely at 192. Okay, so it's up to 192. Okay, take profit. So if it goes to 192, you can maybe take half the position off, move your stop to break even, and allow the rest of the position to run. Okay, a lot of my clients, they get the weekly signals and they let them run over a few weeks. So that's the trade. So you can pause the video now and just double check it, save it. Okay, as always, trade at your own risk, control your risk, trade at your own risk. But this is a good setup for the week ahead. Okay, again, I'll just discuss it. It's one of my favorite ones for this week. Okay, so again, you can see this was the start. This weekly area here was the start of the leg up here, and it's been dropping pretty heavily. Momentum dropping pretty hard. So I'm expecting a reaction at this area here this week. Maybe a fly up and then a continuing down. So we'll just look at the monthly. Okay, it is a monthly area too. Okay, this is a monthly zone. So a lot of confluence at this area. This zone breaks, the market longer term expect the market to move down lower towards here. So I will. And this kind of is a long-term trend line also. Okay, so there will be some sort of reaction here. This area gets taken out. You'll probably likely see it falling down further towards 179. But on a weekly setup, we'll get some sort of reaction here. Okay, so that's the setup for the week ahead. We've also got 20 other setups for the this week. If you want to access them and access a professional signal service that guarantees you results, simply click the link below. If you have any questions regarding your trading, simply comment below in the video, or comment below in the description area of the video, or contact me at will@xaus.com. Looking forward to hearing the results this week. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great week. Will over at xaus.com.